Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tap Lab here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 859. So I have $3,112 in my balance. Current price of a Bitcoin is $35,500. Down about 3% today, down 1.6% over the past week. We saw a pretty heavy dip right here, but a nice recovery. Down 28% on the month, mostly moving sideways from this point. Still up 277% on the year. Let's scroll down here. There's a new feature right here that shows your Bitcoin address. So you can just tap on this to get your address. Checking the latest news, Taproot locks in. This is more of an advanced thing. Nothing to worry about. If you want to learn about it, just search Taproot. It's basically going to be an upgrade to the Bitcoin network, I believe. This says Texas clarifies that state chartered banks can custody Bitcoin. Also, we saw the news that El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. So basically anybody in their country that is a business is required to accept Bitcoin for payments. Like, they can't turn it down. They can accept all the other currencies still, but they aren't able to say no to accepting Bitcoin. Bitcoin owned 0.08758203. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm. And just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Scroll down here, Bitcoin owned now 0.08760932. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,113 divided by 859 days equals a 3.62x on my investment. Still doing very well. What this means is that for every dollar that I've invested, I now have $3.62. That's just the power of dollar cost averaging over a long period of time. Forever one of the best low stress investment strategies. You know, we're only risking $1 a day here. Things are looking good, and we're going to continue doing this experiment until the end of time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.